So, if you're seeing the cranking time exceeded error on your Ford and you're looking for a way to fix it, well, there are a few things that you may need to know and you need to do here to fix this. So, what does it actually mean? So, when you see the cranking time exceed, it means that the engine has been actively cranking the starter motor turning here for longer than the system allows without actually starting. Now, the car's ECU stops further attempts temporarily to protect components like the starter or fuel pump. So often it shows up when there's like a starting fault here, like the fuel delivery issues, ignition problem, weak battery, or even like extreme temperature conditions. Now, what can you actually do? Well, first things first is you may want to pause and let the system reset. Now, when the message appears, stop trying to start the car. Now, wait for about like 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes up to 30 if you can, as recommended. Now, this pause lets the system reset and avoids further damage. And also, you may want to check the battery and connections here. Now, ensure the battery has a strong charge. Now, around 12.6 volts more when at rest. Now, the terminal are clean and snug as well, and there are no bad grounds or loose cables here. Now, a weak battery or poor connection often contributes to this error. And also, you may want to verify fuel delivery. So make sure there's enough fuel and that the fuel pump, filter, and lines are functioning properly as well. Now, if the engine cranks but fuel isn't delivered, the system may trigger this fault. Now, also check that the starter motor is engaging properly. Now, the ignition switch is good. Spark plug coils are functioning as well. And no critical sensors like crank or cam position are faulty. Now, faults here can prevent the engine from firing, so you may want to check that. And also, once you've fixed, well, like the issues here, use a diagnostic tool or disconnect the battery temporarily here to clear any fault codes. Then attempt to start the engine again. Now, if the system still registers a normal start, the error should go away. Now, if the message appears again and after you've done the steps before, it's time for advanced diagnostics. Communication faults like ECU, PCM issues, or more subtle wiring problems might be at play here. Now, a professional scan tool and probably a technician will be necessary. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.